Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a chit chat get ready with me video. I always see people post these and I love them so much because I just like watching people get ready. I think it's so cool. So yeah, I don't know how well I'm going to be able to do this because I'm watching little mama and she kind of get fussy sometimes when she not get all of the attention. So yeah, right now she does a look for me. Yeah, but I'm just putting on some basics. But guys, yeah, like we're just going to see how this goes. I was watching Grimm last night. The TV's been on since last night. I wanna turn it off all now, so kind of keep her quiet. So and also I have the fan on, so right now I just really hope you guys can actually hear me, since I won't be using any music in the background and I'm talking as loud as I possibly can. Yeah, but I was just saying thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm not really good at this chit-chatting business, but I'm trying my best, guys, so I hope you like it. I think when I start doing more of videos like these, then I'll get better, but for now I hope you guys like this one. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys for showing me love, especially on my boyfriend does my voiceover tag. You guys love that video evidently. So yeah, I got a lot of subscribers so far from that video, and yeah, I just I just want to say thank you for subscribing. And yeah, I'm not really doing anything too tough. Just going to go run some errands and you know, buy some stuff and stuff like that, go to the supermarket, whatever. So I'm waiting for babe to come home. He gets off at 4, it's now 3, so I'm just doing a quick little face. I really like going on the road with makeup because people always end up asking me, and then I can promote my business. If you're a makeup artist, I recommend that you wear makeup everywhere you're going, even if you don't want to, because that way a lot of persons can get to know about what you do, because they'll ask you questions about your face. So that's my strategy, just sharing it with you guys. But yeah guys, am I the only one annoyed with using a beauty blender? I just feel like doing this every minute. It made my hand hurt me, like it's painful, like it's really painful, especially since I have to be using my hands a lot now for holding her and stuff. Yeah, my hands have gotten very weak, very weak. Yeah, so you guys always ask me about like my skincare routine, and I'm working on a new one. I'm just trying to iron out a few kinks in that or whatever. But I hope you guys have been enjoying the frequent videos so far. Yeah, I don't want to get too routine, if you know what I mean, because sometimes when you're doing something for a long time, when you're doing something for a long time, it kind of just gets, you know, routine, and it's not really the best quality anymore. But I just hope that doesn't happen. Yeah, but I'm just, every time I make a video, I have another video idea, so I hope you guys don't get bored of me anytime soon. But yeah, continue to subscribe, because you know, I really have a passion for this. My goal is really to get to 16K before Valentine's Day, and I think it's going to happen because I'm almost there. So I'm just hoping you guys continue to subscribe. Yeah guys, she's dozing in and out. I see her sleeper bite her, but she just don't want to sleep. She just doesn't want to sleep at all. A lot of you guys been having questions, you know, readjusting as a new mom, and yeah, it's been something. It's been something, believe me. Oh, I just used my Black Up Cosmetics contouring stick. You guys know this if you watch my makeup tutorials, because that's one of my favorite products. But yeah, adjusting and being a new mom is something. It's a bit difficult. So yeah, I normally do my brows first, but I don't know why for some reason I'm doing my face first. I guess it's because I'm not really used to the whole chatting and getting ready business, so forgive me. I hope the face comes out you know, how I normally get it to come out, because right now I'm doing everything backwards. I'm doing everything backwards and I don't know why, but yeah. I never took out a highlighting powder and I don't know why, but alright. Just set everywhere. As I said, guys, this face is not special at all. I'm just literally just running on the road, that's all. So I really don't care if it's not on fleek. When I'm going out, I just don't want to look like a hot mess, especially with like the whole baggy eyes thing. Speaking of eyes, guys, if you realize I'm not wearing my contacts today because I feel like you guys kind of forget what my real eyes look like, so I just wanted to show them to you guys today. Yeah, I just wish mommy would sleep though. She just doesn't want to sleep. I don't know why. Anyways, I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Trio to do my brows. And I absolutely love this one, guys. I've had this for so long. It's really good. I want to do a Q&A video, babes. I want to do a Q&A video. So if you guys have like any questions that you want to drop in the Q&A video, I'm going to make a post on my Insta. Yeah, I'm going to make a post on my IG. Yeah, I'm going to make a post on my IG for that, so that you guys can drop the questions below that post, or if you have any other questions now for the Q&A, just comment them below and I will check them out. Yeah, just ask me anything you want. I'd love to get to know you guys, as I said. So yeah, I don't just want to be making videos every week, new videos, and I don't really know my subscribers. I want us to be like friends. Yeah, that's the reason why I started this thing in the first place. So let's see if we can make that happen. Yeah, I'm just blending that out. Yeah, the BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Trio always just does an amazing job, guys. I just love it. Because now I don't even think I'm going to clean up with any concealer. Break that. Yeah, so I don't even know if I want to go for an eyeshadow or anything, because I never really, yeah, I'm not in that mood. I gotta use some eyeliner, yeah, man. Yeah, but there's some questions that I always get asked all the time, so I'm going to drop some of those in the Q&A video when I do make the Q&A video. Guys, I swear this is the best eyeliner. The Blackout Color Extend from Jordana. It's so smoky, it's unbelievable. Oh, and as I mentioned my contacts just now, I am going to be making a video on my contacts, giving you guys some info, because that's probably one of the most asked questions, the most frequently asked questions I get on here. Are those your real eyes? But they're not, guys. They're contact lenses. I try to reply to all the comments that you guys leave me. Mommy, no, don't cry. And she's awake. Kind of. Yeah, I try to reply to all the comments that you guys leave me. Yeah, guys, I'm just applying those lashes. Yeah, I had to be quiet for a second there because she was waking up. I didn't put on any mascara or anything. Yeah, but I'm really in love with these lashes from Ardell. Yeah, these are the, what am I, 150. Yeah, number 150. But yeah, guys, I've been realizing that my comments have not been synchronizing. Sometimes I see the comments on my phone, and then sometimes I don't see them when I click on the video. It's confusing, but I'm going to see if I can figure it out. I ended up going back for a light powder to set my highlight, because you know, I just want it to be a little on fleek, not too much. When I kill them today, you know, it's a good time. But yeah, thanks so much for the love that you guys have been showing me. That's all I can say really right now. I appreciative of the response toward the videos, and you know how enthusiastic you guys are about my content. Yeah, and I want to show love back to you guys. So you know, if you comment under my video that you have like, you know, a channel and you just posted something yourself, and you know, you want some love on the video or whatever, I don't mind coming across. So don't be afraid to like comment under the video saying that, oh, I have a channel, whatever, because we're honestly in this together. We're here to support each other. That's why I never really understand why people throw shade, and why some people come like with like the whole drama and all them things there, because it's just really not necessary. There's space enough for all of we. Everybody can win. I don't see the point in like, you know, like trying to have everything for your own self. Like, it's just selfish, really. I'm just putting earth glow on my contoured areas. But yeah, like all of we can win, you know. It's not this hard and fast type shit. Like, everybody can be doing their thing and everybody can be winning. So I don't really see the point of like people being selfish with the thing, and you know, like, yeah, like it makes no sense. But everybody's different. I guess that's just, you know, how things are sometimes, because everybody really is different. So you guys know I don't really do blush like that, so I'm just taking earth glow on my cheeks as well. But yeah, as I said, we're not doing anything too tough. I'm just wait for ZJ come home so we can go get some groceries and everything there. You guys have been asking for the vlogs. I'm working on vlogging because I really would like to vlog, but I don't have a vlogging camera. So this camera that records the videos now, it doesn't have a viewfinder, it doesn't have a screen so I can see myself. So it would be kind of difficult to vlog with a camera like that. So I'm just waiting. Glow kit. I'm just waiting to see you know, if I can get a camera so that I can start doing vlogs for you guys, because I really like the whole vlogging thing. Yeah, the whole vlogging bit is kind of fun. It looks fun to me. Yeah, and I really want to do it. So some of that glue they dropping on my eye. Oh. But yeah, guys, so am I the only one who just likes when the highlight on your nose is just beaming like psh? Yeah, like I am Eloho on Instagram. Kill me with that some day. Like, ever since I started following her, I just started killing it with that highlight there, yo. Because I just love how it looks. I just love how it looks. I love glowing up. And I know I'm not the only one. Yeah. So guys, yeah, I think I'm just going to probably put out like a chit chat get ready with me probably every other week if you guys like this one. I've been getting a lot of hair questions. I keep telling you guys in my videos that the whole postpartum shedding bit hasn't happened to me yet. She's almost 2 months old. I don't know how long I'm supposed to wait for it to start shedding, but I've honestly been getting the opposite, which is growth, and I think that has a lot to do with my hair care routine. So I am going to share my routine with you guys. This is very old hair. I did record a video for the perm rod set I did. That was a complete fail. So I am going to show you guys that video, and I probably will link it. So if you're watching this video after, you'll see the perm rod set suggested on the screen. But this is old hair. This is just a fail perm rod set that just never really worked out for me. I tried. That's all I can say. I bear the discomfort while I was asleep, because you know them some of them hard to sleep on auntie. This is water, by the way. Yeah, my hair tends to get very, very dry, so I like to take my hair oil and just put some of that in there. And this is very good. This helps with growing hair too. Miracle hemp. It's called Miracle hemp for a reason. I don't know what's in it, but it really helps to grow your hair. So yeah, I am going to make a hair care video, my wash day routine and all them things there, to show you guys what I do. But when it comes down to my hair, I'm a carefree kind of person, so really and truly this is how I'm going to go on the road. No biggie, I'm not fussy like that. So this is how I'm going to go on the road, really and truly. I either going to do this, or if I get hot, I just put it up in a puff like this. Yeah, but I like my natural hair. I like my natural hair. Some persons find it a struggle to have like your natural hair, because they find it really hard to deal with. Personally, me not bother deal with it. I just leave it, or put it in a style. Mine is in a style like 99% of the time. Yeah, I told you guys I was going to show you my lip option. I'm just lining with a brown liner. This is Chestnut by MAC. And I'm going in with Luminous, my favorite gloss ever. This is like the most epic lip gloss ever invented. Look at that. It's like it has little particles of glow in it. I love it. But yeah guys, this is just basically how I'm going to go on the road. Yeah, I'm gonna share the details about my hair. But you guys need to follow my Instagram, yo. Follow my Instagram, NaturallyMsToya. Let's just do a quick little length check. Let me show you guys how far I am. Guys, the other night I had a dream that my hair was waist length, yo. I woke up laughing because it was real funny. But you guys can't see how far down it goes. Ooh. So right above my boob. Let me see if I can get a check from the back. Oh, so my bra is right here. This is where my bra is. So I'm still at bra strap length, and that's fine, but I really want to see like mad growth this year, so I'm killing it with protective styling as usual. Always wearing a protective style. I think that's the best way to preserve your hair and preserve the quality of your hair, as well as the routine that you have, the routine that you do to take care of it. So yeah, this is like what, a week old now. Yeah, this is a week old perm rod set. Some of the curls come out real nice, but some of them never look so nice at all. But I'm definitely going to tell you guys what I've been doing, and I will also be selling some merch, so that you guys can use the products that I use to get the results that I do. Yeah, so look out for that as well. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this chit chat. Get ready with me. I'm basically ready. I'm going to eat my dinner now. By the time I finish eating, he should be home. Yeah, it's like 3:30. I'm going to eat and watch a movie, probably scroll on something, yeah, IG or so. But yeah, when I'm going out guys, this is basic. This is the basic-ish. Yeah, the only thing left to do is just put some mascara on, really. Yeah, but I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. I always say this in every video. And if you're not following me on Instagram yet, follow me guys. It's NaturallyMsToya, Snapchat NaturallyMsToya, Twitter NaturallyMsToya. Yeah, one word, NaturallyMsToya. Guys, the notification thing is so serious. Please turn on post notifications. See, there's a little bell beside the subscribe button. Click the button, click that button, and every time I put out a video, then you'll get the message on your phone, or the notification comes on your phone. So yeah, because if you don't, then you probably won't know when I put a new video out. But if you don't do that, know that I put a new video out every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Yeah, you guys should also follow my makeover page, because I post my clients makeover on there as well. It's Natural Glam by Toya, Natural Glam _ by Toya. Yeah, so it's a real cool page to follow, because I post all my makeovers on there, or almost all of them. I'm going to be adding some stuff to the whole Natural Glam by Toya brand soon, so I want you guys to stay tuned for that and support that as well. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I'm about to clean up, and I will see you in the next video. I hope this video turns out cool because I really had fun talking to you guys. I'm just getting used to it, guys, so please bear with me. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video, guys, which will be, I don't even know when I'm going to put this up, but yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.